Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so recovery works reliably. First, check disk health and ensure at least 10% free space. Without it, writes can fail. Next, locate the program folder and key config files you must restore. Once found, identify available backups, system restore points, file history, cloud copies, or manual archives. You should also note version and path differences so restored files match the application structure. This prevents mismatched binaries or corrupted settings later. Once prerequisites are ready, proceed to restore core files carefully. Start with the safest backup. Verify checksums or timestamps to ensure integrity before copying. You must restore executables and config files into their original paths using elevated permissions so file ownership and ACLs are preserved. Then, repair dependent components. Re-register DLLs, restore shared libraries, and rebuild registry entries if the application requires them. Make small incremental changes and test after each step so you can isolate errors quickly. To finish, launch the program with logging enabled and observe startup behavior. Logs reveal missing modules or permission failures. Once it runs, apply necessary updates and reconfigure settings to match expected environment because version mismatch can break functionality. Make sure to run a full test of primary features. If things go wrong, revert to a verified backup snapshot or run the application's repair utility. This rollback lets you try alternate recovery methods without worsening the state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.